graders, happy Tuesday, and hi to Mrs. Miller. Thank you so much for coming in today. Fifth graders, Mrs. Miller is in charge for the day, so she is running the classroom. Whatever she says goes. Now, let's get into your plan for today. Today, you are going to review the water cycle. Now, this is one of those topics that could come up on your pesky science MCAs that are coming up. Not sure if it's going to be on there. They don't tell me, but I think it might be good for us to review some of those vocab words just in case. So in order to do that, we're going to do a couple different things. The first thing you're going to do is a worksheet with Mrs. Miller, where one side is all about kind of the four main terms within our water cycle. They all sound kind of similar, but they mean something a little different. So we want to make sure to check that out. Oh, Mac is in his usual spot. And so we're going to make sure to do that. Then condensation is the one I feel like fifth graders have the toughest time on. So we're going to spend a little bit more time on this. This is on the back side of your page. Make sure you turn that in when you are done. After that, Mrs. Miller is going to show you a lovely music video all about the water cycle. I'm sure you'll find it thrilling. And then after that, you have a shorter ed puzzle today. It's on the water cycle, and it's only about 5 minutes with those questions, of course, so please make sure you do your best to answer those. And then you're on to your Moby Max. So that is kind of your plan for today. Oh, I did want to show you, I did change up the way your Google Classroom looks a little bit. I divided it by days so that way we could keep Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday all separate from each other, just with me being out because of COVID. Oh, Mac, are you sleepy? Sleepy dog? Sleepy dog. So anyways, so hopefully yesterday went well with your subs, and you did that music survey and the natural resources ed puzzle. If you were gone or you did not get time to it, that's why it's here posted for you, so you can always get to it when you get a chance. Today is Tuesday, so we're doing the water cycle. After that, again, there is going to be a new Moby Max posted for you all about the water cycle. So after that, here is your breakdown. You've got the review worksheet. There are two sides. The lovely water cycle song. Shorter ed puzzle, and then Moby Max. So that's your plan for today. As always, Mrs. Miller is the boss. She is in charge. Please make sure you were kind. Make sure you were helpful. Make sure you are respectful. I know you can do it, fifth graders. Miss you already. I'll see you when I get back. Bye.